Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jenny. Today I'm going to share with you how to cut this one sheet wonder. I've got a piece of 6x6 designer series paper here, and I am going to line it up on the 3-inch mark. I'm going to then cut the paper in half. Once I have that done, I am going to set one half to the side and bring the other one in and put it on the 5-inch mark and cut. At this point, I have two pieces, and I'm going to bring in the second half of my designer series paper and set it on the 5-inch mark again. Cut, and then bring it to the 4-inch mark. Cut, slide it to the 3-inch mark, and cut. Move it to the 2-inch mark, and cut. And then slide it to the 1-inch mark and cut the last time. I now have all my pieces for my projects. At this point, I have all the pieces I need to make my 3 cards for this one sheet wonder. I've got the 7 pieces of 1x3 and 1 piece that is 3x5, and I'm ready to design my 3 cards.